Alright, good morning everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. I don't think you can see me right now, but it's 4:30 in the morning. Maybe you can hear me. And I'm actually on my way to a car show, and there's a car shop near my house, and they invited me to go to this car show, but you have to wake up at 4:30 in the morning to get there by 6 and to set up everything. So I agreed to it because if I took the train would take like 2 hours and it would cost like 20 bucks, and then I'd have to walk another 20 minutes. So I said I would go. So I'm on my way right now. I'm gonna check the footage if you can even see me. It's so dark. This is the most earliest I've ever woken up, and I couldn't sleep. I don't know, because if I was excited or I was kind of worried about not falling asleep. I think that was it. I think I was worried about not falling asleep, and I just couldn't sleep. I think I slept up about in like an hour. So it's only taxis out right now. Oh shit, I think this is it. I think he's waiting for me right now because he's the only car on the street. He said 4:30. Just gonna walk on the street. It's raining and it's misty everywhere. It's probably him. I checked the footage. You can't see me. I'm running. Konnichiwa. So we came in this Maserati. The boss drives the Maserati. He also has like 7 cars. Alright, so it's right by the port, and there's all these people fishing over here, and I think this is it. This is where they're gonna bring the cars here. So we're out here. I think they're gonna have a meeting at 6. It's about 5:30. We got here pretty quick. He drove pretty fast, and they're going to have a meeting at 6, and then the cars are gonna come in. But yeah, this is the area here. I'm thinking of not filming too much today because I want to make some videos about the cars, and I told them that I would make them like a nice little video. So I'm going to try to focus on that, and I'm going to take a lot of pictures. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to be vlogging today, and I'm pretty tired. I'm on like 2 hours of sleep. So we'll see what happens. I have no idea how this is gonna be. All I know that there is a car show, and that's it. And I guess it's gonna be like a whole setup here, and then there's gonna be like something going on here, and it's supposed to be a huge event. So I don't know if you can see, there's like so many people fishing out here. It's like 5 in the morning. Got some cats here too. I can't believe someone brought a tent here. Look at these cats. I don't know, this water looks really junky in here. They got garbage in here. I think this is just like a port area. So oh, I got a small little fish. It's so tiny. It's like a sardine. How many people are out here? So they just gave a fish to that cat, and he left the head. I wonder if he was leaving it for this cat, but he left the head here, and then he left, and now he's kind of going over there to beg for the fish. But this one ate its leftovers. I wonder if the cat knew to give it to him. It's interesting. Or her. Alright, so I mean there's a lot of space here, so it's supposed to be all of this plus this, so it's gonna be a huge event, I think. And there are stray cats everywhere. I think this is like the 4th one. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think they noticed that cat was eating. Oh, so this cat came over here looking for some fish. I think this cat doesn't have a fish. He's getting hungry. These cats are just getting free fish. They're like sardines almost. Alright, so it's kind of taking place. We just had some food trucks arrive here, and then we have some other cavalry coming in, and they're setting up the speakers and cameras. And then there's this place. This is called the tryout meeting. This is what the event is called. So I think everything is being set up right now. We'll see how it looks after all the cars come here. All right, so they just had the meeting, and I haven't been up this early before, so it's like 6:30, and it feels like it's like 11 o'clock. But they give you these free shirts for the people who are helping. But since I can't really understand Japanese, I'm just kind of, I think they made a joke as I'm just a YouTuber, but I told them that I'm not. So that's like my excuse, because I'm gonna make them a movie. So everyone's really nice. I think they just didn't want me to feel left out, so they gave me this shirt. It's nice because it's kind of like a jersey, and my cotton shirt was getting soaked by the humidity, and right now it's just so thick and humid, and just doesn't feel, the air just is so thick. All right, so at 7:30 these people are gonna come in. You got some cars lined up here, and this guy's playing Tokyo Drift in here. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. It's very faint. Alright, so it's kind of loud. I've been filming all day, and I'm just taking a break, but everybody's going around and taking a picture there, and then there's a DJ there. I don't know if you can hear me. These are the food trucks up and running. Alright, so I tried taking a break, but it's so noisy. I don't know if I can make any videos right now, but I've been just making videos all day, and I'm gonna put it all together and make a nice little movie. I'm gonna make a little video for the owner of the shop, and then you'll probably get a lot of car videos this week, or yeah, this week. So if you don't like cars, sorry. I'm going to still do the travel stuff as well, and venture Osaka, Kyoto, Kobe stuff as well. But right now I wanted to just make all these cool videos, well, supposedly cool videos, which I think that are cool. So there's gonna be a lot of car videos this week, and then I'll do the regular videos as well. So get some shaved ice. That one has fried chicken. That one seems really popular, and then I don't know, some yakisoba and stuff, and then this one has curry. Alright, they're doing some sort of like bingo. So all the contestants, not the contestants, but all the people that came for the car show, they paid money to get into the show, and then they all have a number, so it's kind of like a bingo, and then they'll win a prize. Alright, so it's a lot more quiet now. A lot of people are at the bingo thing where the contestants are able to win something, but the prizes look kind of, I don't know what the other prizes are, but the smaller prizes were like a CD or something. So I'm just kind of hanging out, just kind of relaxing. I'll just show you guys a little bit of preview about the cars that are here. There are some crazy cars here, but I want to put it into a nice video, so yeah, please look out for that video. But here's just a sneak peek. I couldn't really focus on today's vlog, so because I was so focused on making these videos and stuff like that, and you know, I'm just working with what I have. I wish I had a better camera, but I'm just working with what I have. So yeah, I'm just gonna focus on making these nice videos for this car show, and then I'm gonna try to wrap up this vlog later on. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but yeah, just wanted to do a quick update on this vlog. I'm so tired right now. It's crazy because I only had like an hour of sleep, and when it was like 10 o'clock, it felt like it was already 4 o'clock, but I haven't been up this early, and I think I've been kind of burned as well. I put some tanning lotion, not tanning lotion, but I put some sun cream, but I don't think it protected me. So I might be a little bit burnt, so yeah. Just kind of hanging out here. They're so nice because there are boats out here, but I don't know if it's because I'm an only child, but sometimes when there's like too many people, or when I'm with a group of people, well, I'm not really with them, sometimes I need some time by myself. I don't know if anybody else is an only child out there, but I don't know why, but I sometimes like to be away from people when there's just too many. So like if I came with the group, but I didn't come with the group, so I'm just taking a breather. Some Lamborghinis and Ferraris over there. It's crazy because I'm just thinking about the video that I just made this morning, and it feels like it was like a whole week from this morning, but it was really actually like only a couple hours. So there's still people fishing. I think they're part of the car show. This water looks dirty. All right, so I just got home. I don't even know if I made even if I'm so tired. Even if I made a vlog, I'm gonna look back and look at these videos and see what I can scavenge up together, and maybe I put a vlog together. It might not be a full vlog, I'm not sure, but yeah, I had a lot of fun today. I felt like I just spent like a week somewhere because I just woke up so early. I'm so tired. I had a lot of fun. The thing about this car show that I was telling the owner that had the event was that this event felt like everybody knew each other, so it was more like a family barbecue more than anything. So I really enjoyed it. It was really a lot of fun. I'm gonna just do like a movie type style where I'm just gonna put all the footages together and then see what I can come up with. And then I'm also going to make a video for the owner himself too. Maybe you can put it on his website or something. But yeah, I don't know if I don't know what I have together. I was just so busy today. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. There's he's saying something on the loudspeaker. While he's coming through the traffic, he's saying thank you very much for moving out of the way on the loudspeaker. Look at this cop here. I'm a cop, you idiot. I'm gonna buy a drink at this vending machine. Look at how tan I got, and I put on sun cream twice. I thought I put it in right, but I guess I didn't. You know what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get that Bacardi Sweat. I might get this lychee drink just because I'm feeling a little extra. Alright, it's a little bit overpriced. I don't think they have any more. Oh, they don't. And they're all out of the other drink as well. What kind of machine is this? I'm just not gonna get a drink. I want the drink that I want. Alright, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.